In the programme for the Santa Catalina weekend, it did say there would be a wake-up call at 8 o'clock on the Sunday morning. So I thought in the service of telling you about Teulada, I mean, if you're coming here on holiday or if you're thinking of working here or maybe retiring here, it's important you know these things. So I decided to see what was going to be the wake-up call, because sometimes, certainly during Moors and Christians, they use a blunderbuss, which scares everybody half to death. Very often, though, they use a marching band, so I thought it was appropriate that I should get the camera, get into town, ready for 8 o'clock for the alarm call. And nothing happened. But it was an opportunity, because for once I was able to take some film with no cars going past making a noise, and also the church doors, Santa Catalina church doors, were open. There weren't many lights on, but I thought it was an opportunity just to pop inside and take a little bit of film. Not brilliant, but it gives you a little idea of the church with the bell tower, and have a look at that and see what you make of it, and all these lovely clean streets ready for whatever was going to take place the rest of Sunday. And of course, Sunday is a day of rest. The Santa Catalina, there would be a procession from the church back to the church with the statue of Santa Catalina, and this was to be followed by fireworks at 2 o'clock. So we were all looking forward to that. We had a full mass at about 11:15. Everything is timed to the minute here, of course, so you know exactly where to be and what time to be there. So that's what we did. So just enjoy everything that we've got to show you. I'm sure you will. 8 a.m. Sunday morning, 30th of November, and peace is restored. They have the procession with the statue of Santa Catarina at about 11:15, so we'll walk back into town later. This is a great way to close off the streets when you have market day or an event like a giant paella. Those posts simply pull out of the temporary holes that they are kept in, and they go in the 3 holes across the road there, and that's an effective roadblock with a no entry sign and a no diversion either. And those 3 posts were in place last night because that's the position of yesterday's giant paella. So at 8 o'clock the following morning, all cleared up, nice and clean, tidy, ready for the next adventure. Well, here's the marquee this morning. Sorry about the noise, that's the street sweeper, but there's the marquee. You wouldn't know anybody had been in it last night. They get on with things early around here.